Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to open up another Iron Studios, but this one is for Iron Man. So I don't know how I missed all these Marvel movies throughout the years, but I recently watched like all the Iron Mans and Endgame and all that stuff with my kids, and my gosh, I loved it. So I saw this and I couldn't refuse it. So you go ahead and start opening it. Okay. So this is from the famous one in Endgames where he does his final snap and he's like, "I am Iron Man." So that was really cool. Alright, so here's this box. I am Iron Man. I have the Stark Industries shirt on today. So it's a fantastic series. I just loved it. Okay, let's see here. I have a couple things, a few Funkos with Iron Man, and a couple Legos, things like that. I have the Infinity Gauntlet, and I have to set that up. I still haven't set that up yet, but I got a case for it too from Wicked Bricks to put it in. So I'm pretty excited to do that. Just got to pick a space to put it. Okay, here's what the box looks like. It's pretty cool. Okay. Let's see. All right. Okay. All right. I gotta cut this. Let's see here. Put down here that way you guys don't see a big thing of styrofoam. Okay. Okay. I was getting around these little corners here is a little hard. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yep. Well, I must have gotten something, right? Something's still stuck. Maybe the corner or something. Okay, there's that. Okay. Okay. It's wrapped up in here. Let's see. Okay, we'll do the base first. So this doesn't fall. Okay, so here's the base. The bottom it says The Avengers Endgame, I am Iron Man. It's smooth, it's not like a velvet or anything, so it's just smooth bottom. Okay. Okay, here we go. Tony Stark. Okay. I would have gotten it off the Iron Studios website, but they're all sold out, so I had to go through a random store to get it. Let's see. I guess it goes. There's a little peg on his leg here. Like that. There we go. Okay. Looks like he's in there, just like that. That's pretty cool looking. There's the back. Now I want to set up, I have a Harry Potter section set up right now. We got some more display cases. They were getting rid of some over at Hobby Lobby, so I'll pick some up. I want to make a Iron Man section. So I think that looks pretty nice. I like it. So I'd like to hear your thoughts on it. If this is something that you thinking about maybe collecting. Nice little statue. Getting ready to do a snap. Yeah, I like the detail on it. Looks pretty good. Okay, so just let me know what you guys think of it. All right, and we'll see you again next time.